today I'm testing the new Forest Friend series, and I just wanted to show you what's the best way to do the composition, because these big sets are a bit tricky. So we start always with the biggest element. So now I already have put here the fox and the bear with like more or less the same distance, and then I'm gonna put the rest. And after I have the bigger elements, then I'm gonna fill it up with all the small things. All the animals on the wall, and I like the composition, so all I need to do now is just to fill the empty spaces with all the leaves and the mushrooms and the little things. So I'm done here, and it looks pretty nice. And because they are repositionable, so you can always like step back and look if there's some place that it's too empty or too full, then you just switch them. And that's it.